Of social science class, and today we will start with chapter number 2, that is motions of the earth. As we have been learning since standard first that there are 9 planets, and in our solar system there are 9 planets and sun is in the center, and all the planets move around the sun, and in the same way earth also makes 2 motion. One is the rotation, the other one is the revolution. Rotation is moving on its axis and revolution is revolving around the sun. Here you can see the globe. You can see here, this is earth. It is in the tilted position, you can see. Tilted means slanting, and this is the axis of the earth. This is imaginary thing. It is not real. We say it imaginary, that the earth moves on its axis. See, this is how the earth moves. This is called the from west to east. It moves, and this movement is called the rotation. What is it called? The rotation. And one complete rotation takes 24 hours to complete. So this causes day and night. 12 hours day and 12 hours night. The part which is facing the sun will have the day, and the part which faces darkness is the night. So now we will see in the book. Have you noticed that the toys that you play with, such as tops and discs, rotate on their own axis? Have you seen? Yeah. You have seen this top spinning. You can see how it moves. The similar way, Earth also moves on its own axis. Our Earth too rotates on its axis. You must have taken a ride in Ferris wheel in fairs. While the seats rotate around their axis, they also revolve in a circular manner. You have seen the Tora Tora, you must have seen in the fair. You must have enjoyed the ride on it. You must have seen that the seats also move along with the seats. Even the Tora Tora, the wheel also moves. So 2 types of movements are there. The one on which the seat moves is the rotation, and the disc which moves is the revolution. In the same way, earth also has 2 movements. One is the rotation and the other one is revolution. In rotation, the earth rotates on its own axis, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, and because of the rotation only days and nights are caused. The earth rotates on its own axis and also revolves around the sun. The moon and earth are constantly in motion. Now we come here. Measurement of a pillar's shadow. You can see here an erect pillar on your school ground must be there. You can see there. Note down the details as given in the table. You can see at different times of the day, you can see what is the size of the shadow of the pillar. You can see over here. See here, both the sides, the shadows are long, and then it becomes shorter, then again very short, and here again you can see the difference. This is at the different times of the day. Now we turn the